Today I am making the perfect summer dessert in orange creamsicle cake. What you're going to need is vanilla cake mix, eggs, orange juice, olive oil, Jell-o orange, vanilla pudding, and some Cool Whip. So let's get started. I'm going to follow the directions on the back of the vanilla cake mix, but instead of water, I'm going to substitute orange juice. I'm also going to add half a cup of olive oil and 3 eggs.
And the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Once the cake comes out of the oven, I'm going to let it cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am going to take a stick and I'm going to poke holes in it. Right now, I'm making the Jell-o, so I'm just going to add Jell-o, 1 cup of boiling water, and I'm going to mix that until it's completely dissolved. After that, I'm going to add in 1 cup of cold water and mix that as well. And then I'm going to pour it all over the cake and put that in the refrigerator for 2 hours.
And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Once my 2 hours were up and before I took my cake out of the refrigerator, I started to make my frosting. So what I did is I took 1 box of French vanilla pudding, 1 cup of cold milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I beat that until it turned into a pudding consistency. After that, I took my whipped topping and I folded that in to make the frosting.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really
Now that my cake is all frosted, I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes, at least another 30 minutes, and then it will be ready to
Where the
eat.
road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
This cake literally came out so good. It was so refreshing and it's perfect for summer. Drop a comment down below if you plan on making this cake for your summer, and thanks for hanging out.
Even if the sky is falling